Hi, I'm Angelina Sarin. Welcome to the course Bioethics, the Ethics of Everyday Life.
Bioethics, more than merely medical ethics. Literally, the ethics of life. So this includes how we look after the planet and how we treat other species. Here is a bit of inspiration for you.
The plain fact is that the planet does not need more successful people, but it does desperately need more peacemakers, healers, restorers, storytellers, and lovers of every kind.
Bioethics. Every time you open a newspaper or go to a news site, you see something that is related to bioethics. Here are examples. Flooding. What have we done to the planet? Have we caused the climate to change so badly that we're now getting flooding in many more places than before? CRISPR babies. Police chasing parents across Europe because they want the best treatment for their kid. Donald Trump and the Pope getting involved in a case in which a little boy is not allowed to go to the United States for an experimental treatment. Transgender troops telling Congress that they excel. Female genital mutilation. First lawsuit on behalf of zoo elephants. Tiniest baby boy ever sent home leaves Tokyo hospital. Futurism. Transplanting lab-grown lungs in pigs. Dutch authorities to prosecute euthanasia doctor. Toxic chemicals spell end of the UK's orcas. Michelle Obama opening up about her IVF children. The environment, the new frontline for human rights defenders. A war veteran's appeal goes viral. Important to know is that the assignments form a vital part of the lectures. They are a vital part of the course. In the assignments you will find links to many more materials that you can download and read at your own leisure. The assignments will require you to flex your thinking muscles, work through the materials, do your own critical thinking and logical reasoning. And share your opinion. Listen to other people's opinions. After this introduction section, the course contains 6 more sections at the moment. They address the following topics. What does it mean to be human? Disabilities and diversity. Humans' rights. The new eugenics. What is progress? And what does it mean for our habitat? And how to move on after this course, moving forward. This may change in the future. I intend to add more lectures and adapt the materials. What's also very important is that you will often see me make assumptions throughout the course. I will assume that you're the same as I am, white and female. I do that automatically. I will assume that you're not being discriminated against. So if you, for example, are gay, use a wheelchair to get around, are a migrant, I am, or are all three, you may have to adapt scenarios I paint here and there. But I know you're flexible enough to adapt your thinking to your own situation.
Some of the lecture topics are pretty tough.
And the assignments can be hard as well. And I mean emotionally hard, draining. I've therefore attempted to create a mix of heavier materials and lighter materials. Some assignments mainly require you to look at a number of short and sometimes even relaxing or entertaining videos. If you feel that the order of the topics is not optimal, or that I am not including something that you would like to see included, Feel free to let me know and give me suggestions for how to improve this course. In the assignments for this lecture, we will study a definition of bioethics among other things. This is the classical definition of bioethics, the definition that I turn out to be following. We will also look into the use of rhetoric. Rhetoric is something you need to be aware of and something that you may be able to apply yourself occasionally. It's not easy to change people's opinions once they've been created by the use of rhetoric. That's because people's emotions have gotten locked onto a certain opinion. So if you want to try and change their opinion, you first have to address those emotions and try to change those emotions. I don't think that's easy. The take-home points of this lecture: bioethics is more than medical ethics. The assignments are a crucial part of this course. Contact me if at any point in this course you have suggestions for how to make this course better. Please do. And rhetoric is a powerful tool that, for example, many politicians use. You may be able to apply it too, but first of all you need to be aware of how others use it. Now, let's move on to the assignments.